Alright guys, it's Anthony here, Super Service. Probably what, 06 maybe? Something like that. Hot, no start. So we're hooked in down there at the bottom. I just like to video the air test. Go ahead, hook it up. We'll just wait here. Okay, so it's not catastrophic. Could be an IPR valve, but we're gonna just. There you go. Passenger side. Passenger side, blowing air out. Unhook it. You put it in here. Unhook it. Right there. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, passenger side valve cover off. Hang on. Alright, let's see which one it is. Yeah, that's a precision listening device. Yeah, it is. Ready? Yep, hit it. Number one. Okay, so what we'll do, hang on guys, I can't do this with one hand. Here. Number one. Yep, it's number one. Now the question would be, it's not a dummy plug, it's number one. Oh, it's still going. Alright, so yank the oil rail and, well hell, we'll do that too. Alright guys, we got the oil rails off. We're going to do a top injector O-ring inspection as good as this damn phone will let us. You can kind of see a bunch of deterioration going on there. Let's see if it's gone over here on that side, right there. You see it? Yep, right there. Completely deteriorated, gone. Let's look at these. Okay, he's got number 3 and number 7 have been replaced at one time or another. This freaking phone is a piece of crap. I mean, honestly, I really don't, that one doesn't look too bad. Ooh, I don't know. We might have to look back at that one and see. I don't think that one needs to stay. I don't know. I think I would at least do number 1 and number 5, but the O-rings didn't look, from what I saw, didn't look too bad on number 3 and number 7. Those have been replaced, but who knows. So there you go. We went down. We found the culprit right there. We'll see it better if we take the injector out, but well, let's take it out. Hang on. All right, guys, this is it. We're gonna go ahead and do all 4 on that side. I'm trying to pick an angle where you can see it. Whatever, the camera don't pick it up, but it's deteriorated. Yep. All right, guys, that's it. We're gonna put some injectors in it, let it ride. Have a good day.